Right, so today we find ourselves, we don't want to use the old Ford F100 door panels or door cards. So we're going to make custom door cards with a bead roller. I saw some nice designs and ideas that I want to try and incorporate. First things first, let's get that out the line. That's actually our outer line. Let me just trace it all around. Just a piece of chalk. Just scratching it so I can get this out the way. Right, let me quickly chop this out. We'll take it from there. Let me quickly make a few designs, then we'll choose which one's going to seem the best. Let me do a cross-hatch pattern first. Start from an edge. Just make a light line. Like so. And like so, very light. So I've got a line to work on because I think I'll keep them 2 inches apart. Okay, let's do it like that. Every 2 inches for this one. All right. Let me start from the edge because I just want them to look symmetrical. Right. We quickly draw this. I'll make a couple and play with it just to see the visual effect, the one I basically want. And then we'll take it from there. We'll first choose which one is the best for us. Right, now that we've got the one side, let's quickly do the other side of our cross hatching. Here's our line. Work on our line again.
Every 2 inches apart.
All right. Let's run it like so. Like so. Like so. Basically what's what we're going for, across diamond hatches. Let me quickly finish drawing this up. Right, so I'm quickly going to craft a couple of designs, couple of choices, and then we'll choose which one is best. Oh, just remember, in South Africa, we're selling our merch, our caps, African Hot Rod by Matt caps. So if you're interested, give us a shot. I haven't worked out how to ship overseas yet. Sorry for that one, but we'll get to that. Right, we crafted a few just to see. This is a box standard one. Would work for a standard bolt, but I think we'll go with this one. This one's also a nice design. This is also a very nice design. Mark this up quickly. That play with it a bit. Right. Actually, that other one on first, yeah. Let's do this way. And then we'll quickly chop it out. Chop that axis bit a bit later. Right. Let's cut this piece out quickly. And then we'll start drawing this onto there so we can bead roll it. Alright, let me quickly off camera just cut the other plate as well, and then we'll start to drawing our design onto our plate. This is the design we're going to go with. Let me quickly transfer this to metal and then make a negative, because this will be our door handle, so I have to switch it around as well. Let me quickly mark that, mark that. Right, let me quickly just, like I said, transfer to metal, and that's that. I'm gonna have to make some holes in this paper, or scribe right through it a bit, just to transfer it. Let me get a scribe. Let's quickly create start-stop points, because remember this will have to be turned around for negative on the other side, because it's left and right. So let me start, first things first. Basically what we want, like you can see, all our lines connect the dots. And then I can use this template, turn around, and I know where I'm at. Like you can see. You quickly run through all these. And Bob's your uncle. We've got it sorted out. We've got a left and a right. Remember, it's reverse direction for your left and to your right. We'll put it on a bead roller and we'll bead roll it. Let's run to the roller. Let's get it against. And then this is a different. So let's go 1, 2, 3. And just see how our line is first. Let's run it. I think we need more pressure. Let me reverse it. Come back, 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 back. 2, 3.
All right, I think it's okay.
Okay, let me just, did I switch it? Okay, let's see.
Sit hom vir my stadiger.
Slower, okay.
Nog.
That's it. Nice controllable speed. Let's get to the point. We'll start turning it.
Matt, I think we must go slower than this. This is just too fast.
I think so too. Let me
Right.
just put it slower.
Right.
It's
1,
on 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Put your bolt in the front here. There we go.
Turn around. Take that part out. Bring that one in.
Okay.
Remember, it's running towards you.
Yes.
Towards you all the time.
Man, it's going to be a lekker little truck when it's done. Hope the owner likes it a lot. Otherwise, we'll just have to take it from him.
That's the best way. Make it yours.
Exactly. He's in debt, so we can take it.
We got more of a bow to this side and more of a flat on this side for where your door handle is to come.
Yes.
So it's a flat mount almost for your
Door handle.
hand of your door handle on the inside. For the first time in my life doing a cross like this, I don't think it's too bad.
It's Spider-Man's web.
That's true.
But first section of diamonds done. Let's do the next diamond crosses.
That's the back side of it. That's how it looks on the back.
We'll just take a dolly and hammer and just
Everything is so
centers.
nice. Everything is so nice in here.
But I don't think it will be necessary even, because this is actually looking perfect.
Yeah, I moet zo is. Have to be like that.
All right.
All right, everything has been fine.
Now we've got our patterns all done. We'll clean it up a bit, but that's it. Let's do the left-hand side quickly.
I think we must press this one here a little bit. Just
Yes.
turn it around, just to get it straight up. Hold it there. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's
Left-hand
gonna
side
be-
door panel done. Now it's right-hand side. All right, not too shabby for first try with this die and particular set. We've got a left and a right. Bead rolled out door panels for our F100. At the bottom there will be leather apparently. So that's quite perfect. And the door handle will sit here apparently. Thank you for watching everybody. Please like and subscribe. Please watch us on African Hot Rods by Matt. Peace out.